Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, we are still in the series of crazy gospel passing chords, and real quick, we're going to be looking at this song. So I'm doing it on the key of F sharp. Blessed be the name of the Lord, who is worthy to be praised and adored. So we lift our holy hands in one accord, singing, blessed be thy name, blessed be thy name, the name of the Lord. So we lift. So this is more like a 6 to 5-1 progression, but now we are not using the 2 instead. We want to do a tritone substitution for the 2, which makes it this, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1, right? So this is your 6, it's supposed to be 2, but now the 2 is a tritone. We want to use the tritone substitution for this 2, so we have this instead. So this and 1. Yeah. So blessed be the name of the Lord, who is worthy to be praised. So So now let me break that down. I was trying to reharmonizing this song. So this is more like a 6 2 5 1 progression, but now it's not a 6 flat 6 5 1 progression. So this is what it sounds like. So first chord is this. E flat, B flat, F sharp. Next one, A flat, C sharp, E flat, F. So my 5 hands, you can see the 5 of them. So fat voicings. Then you can bring it semitone. So next one you can still want to just create a hair. So next one you have D and A and E on F. Next one you have G C D E G. So sometimes I don't want to play instead of playing this chord, I would just want to play this for anyone. Or so now let me just teach this one. Your 5, yeah. Now your left hand is your 4. Then, or instead of playing your 5, you can play this. So you sharpen this one to E. So you have F sharp, B, E, and F sharp. So you can hear that. So then your 1. Your 1, F sharp dominant 7. On your right hand, this is F sharp, C sharp, E. On your right hand, you have G, E, and B flat, E flat, and F sharp. So that you do But I want the voicing to sound like that. I want the melody to sound. You understand? You are now reharmonize. So instead of so that's what the sound you can hear, which is this chord E major 7th. So I don't want it to sound that way. So I want to so that's note. I think I prefer this one. You cannot do a 736. So now let's try Blessed Be the Name of the Lord from the beginning. So now. So then you can do now. You can do I think I did this in one of my class. Let me do it again. Drop twos. So basically, that's everything. So that's the end of this episode. Please follow for more. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share. We're bringing more episodes like this. Thank you. God bless you.